Guys, good morning. Hey, as you see, I'm riding my Bullet 500 today. So you might be surprised that after 1 month of owning CB350, I'm riding my Bullet. So guys, there is a small surprise here which I will talk about later. But at this point I like to talk a little bit about what I feel when I'm riding this Bullet after riding CB350 for about 1 month. So 1 month I haven't touched this Bullet. I just took it out today, and the beauty is this bike just started off in a single kick. So that's the beauty of this bike. Of course I didn't attempt the self starter, but I prefer to start the bike with the kicker the first thing in the morning. So I did that and it just fired up, and till date guys, it doesn't miss a beat. So yeah, when I'm wearing my helmet and riding this bike, I can't feel much of the noises, but end of the day, there is definitely a reason why this bike has the required cult following, whatever it has. So simply due to the riding stance, guys. So especially the key difference what I'm finding is from CB to Bullet is you sit very high up on the Bullet. The seat is like super comfortable, contoured, and it's got those stripes, the standard Bullet standard. And you sit high up, and then such a relaxed position, and you can just go very slow in any gear. Yeah, but to be in the fourth and fifth gear, yeah, of course you have to be 40, 50, 60. Fifth gear you have to be above 60 in this bike as well. But yeah, it's a very relaxed riding, guys. If you can just ignore the vibrations or love those vibrations, this is something why people must have loved it so much, including me. So, and of course yeah, it's got that this is a BS 2 model, I think 2 or BS3. So it has got a carburetor and nice thump to it. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but yeah. So guys, story is like this. One of my friend from the college days had been very interested in this bike since the time he saw this bike with me. And he said, when I told him about me getting the CB350, he was very optimistic that he's been asking this bike from me for quite some time. And when he got to know I'm getting a CB350, he was very optimistic that I would be offering this bike to him. So that's the story here. So finally he did call me last week when he saw my bike CB350, the videos what I posted, and then he said, hey, can I take that Bullet? So I said, I'm still in two minds. I'm not very sure if I want to give the bike, but yeah guys, so maintaining multiple bikes is also quite a challenge. And this bike, when I compare to CB350, the CB350 does pretty much what this bike does. So it's more of a redundancy for me to keep two similar bike in the garage. So from that point of view, I told him, okay, I will give you the bike, you can use it and probably give it back to me later or whatever. So we haven't discussed anything else apart from that. So that's where it stands as of now. So yeah, so this is more or less sort of probably could be the last ride uh, for me on this bike. Never know. But yeah, when I visit him I can definitely ride, but probably as of now this could be the last ride on this bike. So this bike, guys, as you see, it's got a crossbar type handlebar, and which is going to give which gives me extremely relaxed riding position compared to the stock. And this bar is from Art of Motorcycles in Bangalore, so they make one of the finest handlebars for the bikes. So that's the mod what is there in this. And it's got those HJG 20+20 fog lamps on the bike, and GV mono rack what is fitted at the rear to carry some luggage. So apparently this friend of mine is planning to do a all India trip, I think. So that's where he's been eyeing on this bike for quite some time. So yeah, so that's little bit on this bike, guys. So let me know what you feel, let me know your thoughts, let me know your in the comment section. We'll be happy to hear you guys. Thank you.